Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by today to see what I am up to. And I have a new bag, new subscription box. I'm not sure how it's actually going to come for the channel. And this is from Slay Glam Box. I know normally they come in, I think, an outside mailer like this. And they come in the cardboard like purse packaging. But I did post something because I was like, oh, I thought it was going to come packaged like that. But because of the contents, they wanted to secure it better with bubble wrap. So fine with that. Slay Glam Box is $24 a month. Obviously, a recurring monthly subscription. You'll receive 5 to 7 full-size beauty products. And they are consistent of makeup, skincare, beauty tools, or fashion in each box. Promise a value of over $100. And like I said, they have that really cute, awesome purse packaging, which I think is pretty unique and awesome. And every once in a while, if there is a color option, lipsticks, palettes, things like that, it is customizable. I would assume, I don't know if they do it on Instagram or if they do it by email. Like I said, this is the very first one for me, and I've been looking at this one for a long time. So I just opened the package. Give you guys a little sneak peek in here, and I could see why with the little sneak peek that they wanted to secure it a little bit better. And then this is the bundle that I see. And let's get this open. And you can see behind me, I have not filmed in a little bit, and now I have a whole table full of boxes to film. Some are for giveaways, some are hauls, you know, normal. Okay, so we're going to start with the first item that I see, and this is from Beauty Treats. This is Blush and Go. Just trying to read the back. All different pinks. I don't want to, has a seal on it, so I don't want to open it. I'm not a very big pink wearer of blush, so I'll probably include that in a giveaway, but that's really cute. Nice little compact. So I'm going to leave it in this little bubble that it came in for protection. And then we'll get into this that was on top. So this is very well packaged. So now I understand why it didn't come in its normal package, but this still could have fit inside there. So the next thing I see is Be a Bombshell eyeshadow palette, and this has bold on it. And let's get this open. The tape is going to drive me crazy. It keeps on sticking to my hand. And today is also a normal non-film. I cannot open this. Normal non-film day. It is Sunday, so I don't generally film. I cannot get this open on Sunday. So, you know, my hair is not done, but I figured I would film some of these boxes and try to get some of them done. And so this is Be a Bombshell Cosmetics, and this is the bold on it, so it's a nice little cute compact. Let's get this open. Sometimes these are hard for me to get open without destroying. Oh, cute. So it does come with a little like foam brush, which I don't like those. And it does have a mirror, so I will block. And then this is what the palette looks like. So yes, it is the bold colors. Cute little palette. Good one to keep, like with a neutral palette. So if you wanted to, you know, spice it up and add, you know, some purple or greens or teal to your look, and, you know, still have your main, but you don't want this big colorful palette. This is a good one to have to keep like with some of your palettes, just for your bolder colors. And then we have from Bella Pierre Cosmetic Peach Blossom Eyeshadow Palette. This is cute. Bella Pierre has very nice stuff. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, this is cute. It has a little protective shield. This is really nice. You could do a really pretty peach look. Orangey peach look. 3 shimmers, 1 matte. So that is something that you'd like to do. I don't think I've ever tried like the peach or orange eyeshadow look, but you know, it might be a first for that. And this is still wrapped. So yes, they did wrap it very, very well to secure it. Let's try to get into this. Let me see if I can just pull it out there. And then this is an indie brand, Okalon Liquid Metal Eyeshadow, and this is sealed. So I'm going to leave it sealed because I probably will not keep this. I'll probably share it in a giveaway. Cute palette. A lot of your shimmer glitter type, you know, obviously metal eyeshadows. That's really muted tones, but I think still relatively nice. And then the last item in here is from Hikari, the Butterfly Effect. Let's see how this definitely slides out. So palettes slide out easier one end. And you just got to figure out what end that is. I just don't know what end it is either. Okay. This one's hard to get out. Don't know if I'm going to be able to do it. Let's see. Okay. Oh, pretty packaging. Oh, this is really nice. It does have a protective shield, that it is taped, so hopefully it'll stay taped. This is a really nice palette. Let me just hold this nice. This is a really nice palette. Nice neutral palette with some pops of pinks and purple, some blues, a teal, some shimmers and mattes. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes, but enough that you could, you know, get your base down and then use the shimmers for the rest. It does not have a mirror, so this is what it looked like, and that's with the shield down. I've heard of Hikari. I've never tried their product. Let's see if I can get this. I won't try to put that back in here just now. So that's everything that came in my Slay Glam, it's supposed to be box, but bag for the month of August. Definitely worth $24 to have 1, 2 palettes, 3 palettes, 4 palettes. Like, these are great for your purse. 4. Oh, and the blush. So 5 palettes in this one bag. So this is, I think this was the one that they promised all palettes in their bag. So for $24, I think you definitely get your money's worth. I don't know, since there is no card, the individual prices for these items, but in true fashion, I will look them up. And when I post a picture at the end of the video, I will have pricing for you, and we'll see if it equals the value of $100 that they promise with their bags. I'm sure this one definitely does. I know Bella Pierre is not cheap, and Hikari is not cheap either. And these other, like I know Okolon is affordable. I'm not sure about the other 2 brands, but we'll find out. So this is the first one for this channel, the Slay Glam Box. For August, and you know, I will keep it for 3 months or so and see what we feel, if we like it, if it should stay or if it should go. And I hope you all enjoyed this one. I hope you're all doing well, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye bye now.